Yeah? Well, this is more than magic. An illusion act that is going to blow your mind. Absolutely amazing. I want you guys to put your hands together for Mr. Helios.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for all 5 of you here. I don't know why, but only a few. I need somebody to help me out with the next illusion. Don't worry, nothing happens to you. Everything is happening to me. But you know what? I look for a guy, a man, somebody who can help me to literally kill my assistant in this box. Happy now, no? I know it. Look, the box is here. It's made out of wood. And we have so many things to do here. Solid. Solid. Totally solid box. But you know, I'm a magician. Maybe you don't believe me, that's why. Come on, come up to the stage, just like this. If I can ask you, enter the box and everywhere, knock on the doors, enter inside. Make sure it's all right. On the wall, on the top, on the ceiling. What do you think? You can escape from here? No way. Turn and stay inside for a second. I show you what is happening, okay? Then, now, ladies and gentlemen, I need another person. Can I have another one? Yes? No, no, sorry, honey. You see too many magic tricks. You, sir, in the front. Come out, please. Yes. You look good with that things on you. You look very handsome. Everything is good. Come up on stage because we need too many. Did you see that? Did you see? 2 seconds, he's on the stage. Okay, sir, what we do is now check out. Is it okay? Is it solid? Thank you very much. Now look, what we do is here. Locks, because we have a front. And watch. That's all right? Now look. Oh, something is missing, something is missing. Wait a second, hold the microphone. Wait a little bit. I believe that you think that Eve is not even in the box anymore, but watch this. Eve, are you okay? Everybody is all right here. What does it mean, go, go, go? I mean, come on now. We have 30 swords, 6 blades. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap your hands for my beautiful, wonderful assistants here. Those 2 guys. Without them, this is not a... Come on, let me hear you. Let me hear you. That's good. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you for your help. Absolutely good. We come back later. See you. Good night. That's it. All right. The manager told me I can't leave her like this. I mean, how many of you wants to see Eve live again? Oh, that's a straight. How many of you don't want to see her live never, ever again? Who was clapping? Who did this sound? Come on, show yourself. Somebody here. Hands up if you was clapping. Who was clapping? Clapping, clapping, no, no. I see, now he's afraid. All right, no, I don't, it's okay, everything goes all right. I will set her free. All I do is, I do all the job, all the work. All you have to do is, I have my favorite music here, so you just have to think. That's all you have to do. Think. Oh, and clap. Hey, do you know Aretha Franklin? That's good.
Think, think, think.
Think, not me.
Think, think, think. You think.
You think, and I do.
Think, think, think. routine. I ain't no psychiatrist, I ain't no doctor with degrees. It don't take too much IQ to see what you're doing to me. You better think about what you're trying to do to me. Ow, ow, baby.
Oh, she's here. Look at that.
You good as I can answer you now.
We've got right now an amazing, amazing dance performance. We've actually got about 60 prizes to give away to all the children of the Al Hatbur family. So, as the kids come up, I want you to give them a big round of applause. Come on, kids. Congratulations. Come on, one for you as well. Come. One for you. You don't want one? And one for you. The prize is bigger than the kids also. Wow, both of you together. Thank you. You want to go that side? Maria. Congratulations, Maria. Are you a strong boy? Okay, then you got to run that side of the stage. Oh, come. I will hold your prize. Oh, careful. Congratulations. Quickly tell me your name.
Kalyani. Kalyani.
Kalyani. Congratulations, Kalyani. What's your name?
Aldrin.
Congratulations, Aldrin. What's your name? Mupin. Congratulations, Nupin. What's your name?
Sia.
Sia. You're looking very nice. What's your name?
Aksha.
Apsha. Congrats. Congratulations. What's your name?
Zaya.
Congratulations, Zaya. What's your name?
Sam.
Sab. Okay. Come on, let me take you. Come in. What's your name? Hussain. Congrats. Congratulations, Hussain. What's your name?
Marwa.
Marwa. Congratulations. What's your name? Loudly.
Ahil.
Adil. Congrats. What's your name?
Aditya.
Aditya. Okay. Thank you, Aditya. Are you sure you can hold such a big prize? You can hold it? It's too heavy? No. Okay, run. Who's this familiar face? Can I hold your hand? Can we go that side? This side. Here you go. Bye. You want one for her? One for her? Come on. I'll carry hers. Come on. You can come with me. Here. Come on. What's your name? Mehak. What's your name?
Harshita.
And yours?
Haripriya. Insha. Lino.
Congratulations, Reena. What's your name?
Riyan. Sanjay. Afnan. Saad.
And what's your name?
Isabella.
Isabella. Wow, Isabella, thank you for coming on stage. What's your name? Shreyas. And yours?
Mahadev.
Thank you, Mahadev. Thank you, Shreyas. The next part of the evening, we've got another raffle draw to do. So I'm going to request the team to just bring the raffle up on stage. The prize is really big this time, really, really big. An LG home theatre system. The number is 242. Vijay Dinanath Chauhan. No? All right. Congratulations. Shihab, congratulations. You've just won yourself a JVC HD camcorder. Why don't you stand that way so the photographer can take a photograph up? Yeah. Number 259. Ganesh, which department do you work with?
Avon Cosmetics.
Avon Cosmetics. Come on, Avon. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Sudhir Paranjpe.
कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो, कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो, क्या कहना है, क्या सुनना है, मुझको पता है, तुमको पता है, समय का ये पल थम सा गया है और इस पल में कोई नहीं है, मैं हूँ, बस एक तुम हो, कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो.
Ladies and gentlemen, nobody else but Malvika deserves to give this award to Mr. Sudhir for such a beautiful song. Thank you, Mrs.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sudhir. I want you to put your hands together for another one of your very, very talented colleagues. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Jaslina.
यूं तो प्रेमी 75 हमारे, ले जा तू कर 77 इशारे, दिल मेरा दुकानदार हैं दूसरे भी, हम थोड़ा अच्छे हैं वो है फरेबी। हाँ, दिल के दुकानदार हैं दूसरे भी, हम थोड़ा अच्छे हैं वो है फरेबी। महंगा है दिल सबके बस का नहीं ये, बिकना है पर तेरी बात मुझे भी आज बाजार ही बिक गया रे। ले जा तू कर सतर इशारे, दिल मेरा मुफ्त का। कोई तो प्रेमी 75 हमारे, ले जा तू कर सतर इशारे, दिल मेरा मुफ्त का। लड़के और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू, प्यारा है शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू। लड़के और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू, प्यारा है शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू।
हाँ चल गई मेरी बातों से तू जल गई। हाँ खल गई तुझे खल गई, मेरी बेपरवाही खल गई। ओ दरवा तू किस खेत की मूली है जरा पता।
टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हर मेरा घाघरा है, बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली वागरा। टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हर मेरा घाघरा है, बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली वागरा।
What a fantastic dancer you are, Jaslina. Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you.
So, you obviously don't work with the Al Hatbur group, but your dad does, right? Okay, so that very special gentleman whose beautiful daughter you are is here on stage, Mr. Raju Varghese. Let's hear it for him as well. Here's what I'm looking for. The lady with the longest earring. Let's see. Let's take out your earring versus my earring. Mine is only a little longer, but I'm not qualified to win this prize. So we'll give it to you. What's your name?
Priyanka.
Priyanka. So you're obviously not working here either. Are you?
No.
So who works here?
My mom.
Your mom. What's her name?
Sapna.
Wow, Sapna, you don't look like Priyanka's mom. And that's a compliment to you, I must say. I can see all the Avon beauty products are working well. Congratulations, Priyanka. Congratulations, Sapna. All right, next one. Let's see. Is there anybody here in the audience who has more than 5 different currencies in their wallet? What's your name?
Mannat.
Mannat. And what's your name, Jannat?
Sachi.
Sachi and Mannat. And what's your name, sir?
Naresh Kumar,
Naresh Kumar. You work with which department?
Hatbur International, AHI.
AHI. All right, let's hear it. Your colleague from AHI. Come on. Next spot prize. Let's see. What can we do? I want any 3 people who whistle to come up on stage. The longest. Congratulations, Anantveer. I want to know if there's any couple here who have a birthday on the same day. Congratulations. This little prize is all yours. Anybody who's maybe wearing heels as high or higher than me? Almost the same. Exactly the same, actually. Hats off. I know how difficult it is to spend an evening in high heels. So congratulations. Everybody look under your chairs. There are envelopes with 100 dirhams. There are 8 envelopes. There are 8. All of you, congratulations. Enjoy aapka free ka paisa. Now I'm sure all of you know very well about the Natraj and Dalla Rauni painting competition that took place. And it's time now to announce all the winners. For the juniors, 4 to 5 years competition. Okay, first prize goes to Lakshmi Sajeev. And now moving to the 6 to 12 years age group. The second prize winner, Ahil Faki. And the first prize winner, Lina Al Jazairi. And now, our amateurs category from 13 to 17 years. The first prize goes to Hala Abdul Rahim. And now, we're going to announce the winners for professional, which is 18 years and above. In second place, Monu Kumar Tiwari. Congratulations, Monu. And in first place, Najma Rahim. The essay competition second prize goes to Linda George. And the first prize goes to Sanjay Krishna. The carom competition. The winner is Hasim Chenglan and Mohammad Kabir. Congratulations. This is the doubles winners. Now we're going to move on to the runners-up. Naveed Akhtar, Mohammad Bashir, next up on stage, let's have the singles winner, Hasim Chenglan. Come on. Hasim, double whammy. This is the second prize today. And now, the runners-up winner for singles, Mohammad Zaki. I'm going to call the winners of the chess competition up on stage now. Sadullah Khan from AGA. Congratulations. In the runners-up position, we have Anfal Salim from GMES. Congratulations, Anfal. A winner in the painting competition, Niharika. She's come a little late, but at least she's got her prize. Congratulations, Niharika. I'd like to announce the winners of the fun-packed cricket match that took place at Zabil Sports Complex. It was team GMES who won the finals for the second consecutive year. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the winning team, GMES AHF PLET. The captain is Srishant. Amazing. So congratulations. Thank you all for being on stage. And may the games continue. All right. I now want to invite the captain of the runners-up team to come up on stage as well. Mr. Samir and the Vice Captain Sunil and Mr. Sharif, if we can have you also on stage, that would be really nice. And now, after congratulating the winners, I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank the following employees who made this sports event a success. From HO, Zishan, Nawaz, Gohar, Umair, Imran. From ADH, Amjad. From GMES, Anwar and Prajesh. From AHE, Jaisurya, Shakil, Mirash, Mahesh, Wali, Amit, Akhil, Brigson, Francis, and Hasim, Mahesh Raghupati, Monu Kumar, Pankaj Bhatia, Waheed, Anantveer from PCB, from Srishant from PLET, Naushad from PLET, AA Sharif from AHE, Naresh from AHI, Ronnie from AHI, Sudhir from HO, and Adil from HO as well. And Amit from Foods, the one person who we didn't put into that list. But thank you very much. Thank you. And thank you for making this whole thing such a big success, this whole games competition. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for some in-house talent to take stage. You've seen a little bit of song, you've seen a little bit of dance. What is this lovely lady going to add to your evening? Let's find out. Put your hands together for our next in-house talent.
Please put your hands together to welcome Miss Lani Esperas and Miss Heidi Penargo from Avon Division.
I can read your mind and I know your story. See you what's going through, yeah. It's an uphill climb and I'm feeling sorry, but I know it will come to you, yeah. Don't surrender, 'cause you can win in this thing called love. When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart's letting down, don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe it, and that's the way it is.
Congratulations. One for each of you. We've got one more there. Now, up next, we've got, as you can already see, a performance that involves light and movement and lots of excitement, going with the theme of Go Green, our LED dancers. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our dancers. The winner of the Wish Tree competition, winner number 1, in no specific order, I've got 3 names here. Aman Moopan. No, I think Aman Moopan might have left. Is Christine Ingala Castillo here? No, I think Christina's left as well. And Rahul Sharma. Thank you, Rahul. Congratulations, that's all yours. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time now for another raffle draw. The winner is number 183. This is a Nikon DSLR camera with a lens. So congratulations, ये आपके लिए camera 247. Wow! We've got it! 10 grams of gold! What's your name? What's your name?
Harshita.
Harshita, okay. Okay, next, another very talented person from your team. Pooja. Pooja, let's have you up on stage. the Al Hatbur family. Thank you for entertaining us. Thank you for singing for us. Thank you, Pooja. You have a lovely voice. Okay, I've got a few more spot prizes to give away. And I was wondering if there's anybody here in the audience who knows how to use this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 1 Wow, Zaya, well done. April, come on. Let's see whether you have it in you. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whose name is global and known? Whose name's on the check and they add in the O? Whose name's on the blimp with the world is yours? Whose name's on schools? Slam for soul. I know it's hard to understand how a boy grew to a man turned to a brand. But guess what? Here I am.